Hi, I'm Sarah O'Brien. Welcome to your Compassionate Self Kit. I want to give you some information about all the kits, and today we're talking about the self-care kit. Included in this kit is another 35-page document with a bunch of good information about self-care, some ideas, and other services I offer. You will also get a burnout assessment and a self-care checkup just to see where you are with prioritizing your needs. Also included is an emotion regulation chart, giving you options to rebalance your nervous system, some informational handouts for some simple self-care practices, other self-care ideas for a healthy mind, body, and heart, self-care checklist of ideas and blank templates for you to fill in, and over 70 affirmations to boost your confidence and positive feelings about yourself. As a bonus, you can add on some extra content that includes workbooks for self-care, self-love, and self-growth. Consider this kit and adding it to your repertoire of all over wellness. Thanks so much.